So our next topic is how to code white spaces and comments in HTML. In this video, I will take you through a simple code and show you how to add white spaces and comments in HTML. I would suggest you to write this code along with me so that it gives you a good practice and you can understand these little things more clearly. So let's get started. So here is the code. First we have the doc type declaration. Then there is the the HTML section. After that we have the head section. In that we have the title element which says white spaces. Then we close the head section and begin with the body section. In body section we have included one heading and one paragraph. In the heading we have written white spaces and comments, and in the paragraph I have included a dummy paragraph. So this is how this code will look on the browser. Like this. And if I try to add white spaces in my code, for example over here, I just add random white spaces and save my code. And then if I go to the browser, you can see that there is no change on this web page. So then how to include white spaces in your HTML document? For that we use a special entity called NBSP, non-breaking space entity. And it is written like this. With the semicolon. I'll copy this so that I can include more white spaces easily in my code. I will just paste this. Then I'll save my code and go to the browser. I will refresh my page, and now you can see some white spaces are included over here. Similarly, you can shift the rest of the paragraph to the next line by using the line break tag. We have already seen that in the previous video. We'll just go through it again. That is the BR tag. Less. So as you can see, the rest of the paragraph will shift down. So that is how you can add white spaces in your HTML document. Next we have comments. So how to write comments? It is very easy to add comments. You just have to follow this syntax. An exclamation mark, then dash, and there you have your comment. And you can write anything in this. You won't be able to see this on the browser, but comments are very helpful. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. Comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. So over here I'll just write any comment, say we learned how to add white spaces and comments in HTML document. I will save this, and on the browser it will still look the same. The comments will just help the developer to understand the code clearly. and it can also be used to debug your code. You can just comment out certain tags and certain code, and you can check where the error is. So that is it about white spaces and comments. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.